Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download and install Element 3D plugins on After Effects. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So here are the simple steps that you'll need to do for it to be able to install the 3D element in After Effects. So first, after you install or after the installation, just replace the element file in the After Effects and then go to the support files and then go to plugins and then Video Copilot with element file in either 64 or 32, and then after that just open After Effects with administrator permission, and after that just open Element 3D from the Effects tab, and you are gonna be requested for the license key and create a request key next to the generator. So after that just open the generator and choose the request file, and it will be a license key created. So after that just open After Effects and then choose install license file, and after doing so everything is done and you have successfully installed the Element 3D in your After Effects. So those are the steps. Again, you can pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.